When anyone thinks of Switzerland, they think of nature, greenery, climate, anything that soothes our soul. A vast majority of people on earth believes that Switzerland is a heaven on earth due to what God or nature has given to its people. It is also said that nature is a substandard form of God. But what you see is not the truth. What you observe is. With the presence of UBS, Union Bank of Switzerland, and investment banker like Credit Suisse First Boston, which are registered with Security and Exchange Board of India in India to trade in Indian equities and derivatives heavily, it can be concluded that it is a financial hub researching on economies all over the world. It is also being observed of late that a vast majority of women in Switzerland understand how to construct portfolios of asset classes like stocks, currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and their derivatives. I had a dream project of constructing Humans Karma Laboratory or World Institute for Karmic Cycle, and I always look for place like Sutherland where we can always connect our soul with the Supreme Soul. We've been also promoting pregnancies in the name of chapter 10.28 Bhagavad Gita that suggests that sex for the generation of good children is called Kandarp, and this activity represents Lord Krishna.